What time are you looking at?
11 o'clock. You start at 10.
Right.
10:50. An hour and a half. Either way, it's pretty vicious out there.
So we're going to want to sail almost to Race Point. Cross at Race Point.
Yeah, right. Want to stay high.
Let's go all the way.
But then when you get up, you're going to have to go way out here because everything's...
Right. Right. Okay, so we're strategizing here just before the fall-off soundings with Jim Avery, the navigator. We're filming, Jim. Okay, up here on deck we have the rest of the crew. There's the chief cook and bottle washer, Charlie Mitchell. Keith Scaglia there, looks a little cold. We got attorney Greg Wagman, relaxing. He'll be in that position all day. Usually not much help in the race, but good company.
That's much about political.
There's the competition back there on the horizon. Beautiful morning here for the 77th